Hey y'all, it's Bonnie for dinner tonight, baby. Maurice beans, steak, potatoes, and totones. Arroz y habichuela, y everyday, papay de totones. Okay, right, baby? Alright, I know. Yes, I know. Gracias. Motivo mío bien la comisión. Still love this. Still love this food. Your favorites. They hooked me like always. You enjoy what you want to. Friends. Peace. Thumbs up. As always, got my famous for more for during and like always. Peace to Middle East. Etc. Tomorrow's birthday week Friday, y'all. Can't wait as always. Peace. As always. As always, my friends.